Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, I am Savannah, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Wednesday, June 10th, 2015. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 76 degrees. We are expecting a high of 90 and a low of 62, with evening showers. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Arna, Isha,
Alfonso,
Emma.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Tigers beat the Cubs 6-0. The White Sox beat the Houston Astros 4-2. The Cavaliers beat the Golden State Warriors 96-91. The Blackhawks are playing the Lightning tonight in the fourth game of the Stanley Cup Finals. Go Hawks! Tomorrow is Pizza Thursday. Come to the front hallway at lunch tomorrow to buy a slice of pizza for $2. All library books must be returned. Please bring any books you have to the library after announcements. Today is field day. Have a good time outside. Here's today's interesting fact. The Blackhawks were the first NHL team to average more than 20,000 fans per game in 1994, when they averaged 20,818 in the brand new United Center. That's all for today. Today's pre-broadcast pictures and sign-offs were brought to you by the 6th grade production studio. Have a must-win Wednesday.